Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, the spotlight is on a fantastic accessory that can truly elevate the experience of any Garmin watch owner. The Garmin Quick Release Band, specifically the UltraFit Nylon Band in 22. This isn't just another watch strap. It's a thoughtful upgrade designed for comfort, convenience, and durability. Right out of the package, which is surprisingly compact at just 6.54 by 2.72 by 0.71 inches, and weighing a mere 0.1 pounds, one immediately gets a sense of the band's lightweight nature. This lightness translates directly to comfort on the wrist, a crucial factor for anyone wearing their Garmin watch all day, every day, especially during workouts or long adventures. The standout feature, as the name suggests, is the quick release mechanism. This is an absolute game changer. Gone are the days of fumbling with tiny spring bars or needing specialized tools to swap out your watch band. With this design, changing your look or adapting your watch for different activities takes mere seconds. A simple slide of the integrated pin, and the band is off. Another click, and a new one is securely in place. This level of versatility means users can effortlessly transition from a rugged trail run to a more formal setting without missing a beat, making their Garmin watch even more adaptable to their lifestyle. Now let's talk about the material, the UltraFit Nylon. This isn't just any nylon. It's engineered for superior comfort and performance. The fabric feels soft against the skin, preventing the irritation or stickiness that can sometimes occur with silicone bands, especially in hot or humid conditions. Nylon is inherently breathable, allowing air to circulate and moisture to evaporate, which is a huge plus for active individuals. Whether one is sweating through an intense workout, hiking a challenging trail, or simply going about their daily routine, the UltraFit Nylon ensures the watch remains comfortable and secure without feeling restrictive. Durability is another key benefit of this UltraFit Nylon construction. It's designed to withstand the rigors of daily wear and tear, resisting fraying and maintaining its integrity over time. This means users can rely on this band to keep their valuable Garmin device securely on their wrist, no matter what their day throws at them. The 22mm width ensures compatibility with a wide range of popular Garmin watch models, making it a versatile choice for many users looking to enhance their current setup. In essence, the Garmin Quick Release UltraFit Nylon Band is more than just a replacement strap, it's an enhancement. It offers unparalleled comfort, effortless interchangeability, and robust durability, all wrapped up in a lightweight and breathable design. For anyone seeking to upgrade their Garmin watch experience, this band presents itself as an exceptionally practical and comfortable choice.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.